Here's how to add confetti to your ClickFunnels page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to ClickFunnels and then on the main menu, choose Funnels. Inside Pages, click on the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown here, we will use the Thank You Confetti demo to go to the editor. Now, hover your mouse within a section or row and click on Add Element, which will appear as an orange color. Look for the custom JS or HTML element. That's this one right here. And then drag it in the middle. Click on the custom JavaScript/HTML element and select Open Code Editor. This will open a box where you'll be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Right click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the element, click on the X button of the element and then go ahead and hit save. Next, click on the eye icon to preview. This will open in a new tab and you should see the confetti animation in action. If you did all the steps above correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations. And by the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left here. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.